I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the video into YouTube Studio, sign in and upload or pick the video in content. Once done, set the video language and visibility so automatic captions align better, and add a clear title and description which helps transcription. Make sure your audio is clean, reduce background noise before you proceed, because YouTube's automatic captions rely on clear speech. Now click the video to open the details page so you can move to subtitles and captions. You'll open subtitles from the left menu and add the video language, then press add to pick how you want captions. If you have a transcript use upload file, choose SRT or VTT or paste text and autosync. If not, select create new subtitles to type and time manually. While editing, drag segment edges to refine timing, split long lines for readability, and add speaker labels when multiple voices appear. Make sure each caption appears long enough to read comfortably. Before finishing, preview the captions in the player to check spelling, timing, and line breaks. Once satisfied, click Publish so viewers see them. Make a backup by downloading the SRT or VTT file. That speeds fixes later and lets you reuse captions on other platforms. If captions are out of sync or missing words, reopen the subtitle editor, adjust segment timestamps, or re-upload a corrected transcript. This resolves most issues. Finally, test on mobile and desktop to confirm everything displays properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.